Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable push notifications in the Vinted app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app. And here it usually opens up in the home menu, but we have to go into the profile menu. We tap on the little profile icon in the bottom right corner. Here in the profile menu, we find the settings button and tap on it. Then in the settings menu, we find push notifications, and after tapping on it, it opens up this little tab. Here at the top, there is enable push notifications. We can tap on the little button, and then there is going to be every kind of notification will be turned on, and we will receive notifications about new followers, new items, favorite items being sold, and all kinds of things. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.